I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kefir juice. Start by gathering milk, kefir grains, water, fruit, sweetener, and a clean 1-liter jar. Rinse fruit and measure about 1 cup per liter for flavor. Mix grains with sweetened water, then cover with breathable cloth. Let ferment at room temperature for 12 to 48 hours while tasting occasionally until it suits your preference. For primary fermentation, keep the jar covered with a breathable cloth and secure with a band. Place it away from direct sunlight at a stable room temperature. Stir gently once or twice a day to redistribute the grains and dissolved sugars. Begin tasting at 12-hour intervals and record when the sweetness and tang hit your ideal balance, which usually happens between 12 and 48 hours depending on temperature. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: I love the simple path to wealth for straightforward money advice, which pairs nicely with saving by making your own kefir at home. It can change how you think about saving and spending, especially when you see small home wins add up. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After primary fermentation, strain the grains into a clean container using a plastic or nylon sieve. Reserve grains to restart the next batch and transfer the liquid for flavoring. Add chopped fruit, a splash of juice, or herbs for a second ferment in a sealed bottle to create gentle carbonation. Leave the bottle at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours, then chill and enjoy when the fizz and flavor are right for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.